This field is on gate. Thereof, Royal Ascot out quickly for the lead. Along the inside, Rocket Rebel second, Nickawampus Leroy third, Otero Hanover fourth, Handle with Care fifth, Billy Joe Bird and Tory Boy. They got down the back stretch the first time. Royal Ascot in, leads it by 2 lengths. Rocket Rebel is second, with the Nickawampus Leroy pacing third. It's 2 lengths back to Otero Hanover fourth, Handle with Care fifth, Billy Joe Bird sixth. At the end is Tory Boy. At the quarter pole, Royal Ascot in by 1.5 lengths. The quarter-mile time was 30-1. Around the paddock turn the first time, Royal Ascot maintains a 1.5 lengths lead. With the Rocket Rebel second, Nickawampus Leroy third, Otero Hanover fourth, Handle with Care fifth, Billy Joe Bird and Tory Boy trails the field. They're in the stretch the first time, coming to the half-mile pole. Royal Ascot in leads it by a full length. Rocket Rebel second, Nickawampus Leroy third, Otero Hanover fourth, Handle with Care fifth. The half mile, 1.4 of a second. In the clubhouse turn the final time. Royal Ascot in with the lead. Rocket Rebel second on the outside, and Nickawampus Leroy third, Otero Hanover fourth. Handle with Care on the outside fifth. Tory Boyle on the inside sixth. Trailing the field is Billy Joe Bird. They go down the back stretch the final time. Nickawampus Leroy rushes up on the outside to challenge and take the lead. They're at the three-quarter pole in 1:30-1. Around the final turn, Nickawampus Leroy leads it now a full length. Royal Ascot is second. Otero Hanover on the outside a closer third. Along the inside, that's Rocket Rebel fourth. In the stretch for the finish, Nickawampus Leroy with the lead. Otero Hanover down the middle of the track. They drive for the wire. Nickawampus Leroy in front.